I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple findings, including thick-walled gallbladder, hepatic mass with hepatic parenchymal disease, and ascites. You can see the liver, and the coarse ecotexture of the liver is prominent. Hepatic tumors are diverse group of masses that include malignant and benign subtypes. Their presentation may vary from localizing signs symptoms such as jaundice and right upper quadrant pain to vague sign symptoms such as fatigue, weight loss, and anorexia. Now you can see the liver and the gallbladder is also visible, and it is slightly thick walled. Moreover, many hepatic tumors are discovered incidentally on medical imaging studies. Moreover, the liver is a common site for metastasis, and metastases to the liver are significantly more common than primary liver tumors. The incidence of primary liver cancer is steadily increasing worldwide. Unlike most other causes of liver disease, it is treatable and the prognosis is excellent provided that it is diagnosed before irreversible damage has occurred. Now, this was about the comments about the cirrhosis, but the liver mass is also a serious condition and has poor prognosis if not discovered and early. Now you can see a mass in the upper pole of the left lobe of the liver. The mass is semi-solid to solid in consistency. No fluid is seen in it, and it has slightly heterogeneous echogenicity. So blood flow is also prominent. So malignancy might be suspected. Also, tissue biopsy will confirm. The most common causes of cirrhosis are hepatitis and other viruses, alcohol abuse, non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases. This happens from metabolic syndrome and it is caused by conditions such as obesity, high cholesterol and triglyceride and high blood pressure. Now you can see a large cyst in the upper pole of the left kidney. You can see the cyst is round to oval in shape and has a clear fluid in its interior, and this cyst measures about 74.6 millimeter into 60.6 millimeter. The mass you had seen in the liver was measured 37.3 centimeter millimeter into 37.0 millimeter. So you can see the mass, measurement of the mass, quite the cyst, renal cyst, quite a large cyst. Most benign liver tumors do not cause symptoms and are found incidentally on abdominal imaging studies such as ultrasound, CT scan or MRI. Now you can see the lower abdominal cavity and a significant free fluid is seen in the lower abdominal cavity, although the fluid was also visible in the upper abdominal cavity along the hilum of the liver. Now it is important that benign tumors are not misdiagnosed. Your doctor may choose to follow the tumor with imaging studies to ensure that they have been diagnosed correctly. Globally, liver cancer is the third leading cause of cancer death after cancers of lungs and stomach. The highest incidence of hepatocellular carcinoma is in China, representing about 50% of the HCC cases worldwide. with most of the cases associated with hepatitis B virus. Cholangiocarcinoma also has a disproportionate geographical distribution, with Thailand having the highest global rate due to the presence of liver flukes. Thanks.